To set up mobile hotspot on a Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to go into connections, and then we'll be able to find the mobile hotspot and tethering. Now go into mobile hotspot, then you can turn it on or off using this switch right here. After that, you can click on this button, which shows you how much data you shared today. You can set a data limit on how much mobile hotspot will share. You can enter a number in megabytes right into this area. You can also see which devices are currently connected and which devices previously were connected. If there's any of those devices right here, you can also click on them to block them from connecting any further. Then when we leave, we'll be able to adjust the settings for our hotspot. You can change the network name right here. You can change the password for the network. You can also disable the password, but I will show you that in a few more steps. You can change the band for your hotspot. It can be set to 2.4, 5 or 6G. And what changes is speed and compatibility. 2.4G offers you higher compatibility, which means more devices will be able to connect without any problem, but it offers lowest speed possible. 5G offers you higher speed, but less devices will be compatible. And 6G, even more speed, but again, even more devices won't be able to connect. Now, if there's other devices that have problem or seeing or connecting with your hotspot, then I would suggest to just go for 2.4G. It's not tragic to have it like that. Then there's the security. As I said, with the password, you can click on open to remove the password or go for any of the WPA protocols to set up the password. Then you can change it right here with at least 8 digits. You can go into advanced options to change the broadcast channel between different options right here, auto or one between 11. And then there's the MAC address type that can be randomized or put on phone MAC. There's also option to turn off your hotspot automatically when there's no devices connected for a certain amount of time or never time it out. There's hidden network. When activated, all of the devices trying to connect with your hotspot will need to do it manually. Your network won't be visible. Then there's support Wi-Fi 6 standard, which when enabled will again speed up your network, but at the same time will leave you with fewer devices compatible with it. Then there's power saving mode. You can reduce battery usage by analyzing your mobile hotspot traffic. This should save a battery for your phone while sharing your internet. And there's Wi-Fi sharing. You can activate this option, and then you will share your Wi-Fi connection in addition to mobile data. When everything is ready, click on save, and then your mobile hotspot will be active. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.